No.
No, wait. I don't know.
You want
But where we go?
You want the fruit one?
What can't sit eat that? You have to sit down and eat this. You just can't walk around with this on the board.
Yeah, Bobby, you can eat it with that. They give you a spoon.
Yeah, but walking around would be nice. That's something you should sit down and. What do you want, Kathy? I have to know what you're gonna want.
I don't know which one I want.
You got the cannolis, eclair, cake pops.
That's tiramisu.
You got cake?
This
Yeah.
is tiramisu. I
Yeah.
never had tiramisu.
That looks, yeah. I heard about that too. I never had that before.
Oh,
Next time
give me tiramisu.
see how it tastes, right? Kathy. Kathy, yeah, order me this, Kathy. Order me this. Okay?
That one you want, Oreo
Yeah.
Mungo.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm giving one of these. Oreo mousse jar. I should get this one too. This looks very, very delicious. Look at all that, yeah. Good dessert after lunch.
Caramel macchiato? No, that's the sausage and cheese croissant. Caramel macchiato? Thank you. Sausage and cheese croissant?
You want nothing,
Yeah.
Mama? No. Yo me puedo una esquina, güey.
Okay. Butterfinger popcorn. Butterfinger popcorn. I should get that. Butterfinger popcorn. Barbecue. What else? Sandwiches.
Order 26? All right.
Esa vaina, esa cucharacha.
I have no idea. It's a cookie, Mama.
Take my order? What, two,
That's it, Mom.
That's right.
BNP Lynn, that's it.
Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew and a Diet Ice Tea. Got your experiment?
Popcorn, Twix. Twix popcorn. Oh my goodness.
No.
That's my dessert. Oh,
What do you want?
Can you carry your meat?
yeah. I'm waiting for my. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's a beautiful place. Let me see. Oh, they got chairs there. They got a table there.
People are on there, Chuck.
Yeah, I know. People are sitting there, but that's.
I ain't expect all that.
Oh, it's in a box. Let me see. Oh, it comes in the box. Yeah. Oh.
Go ahead, take your picture.
I will have to take one, but I have no fork or spoon.
It's in there.
Is it? Oh. I can eat here, I guess, right? I can eat right here standing up. Too many people at the table. There's no table here,
I don't
so.
know what that is, Mom.
Okay.
You left their pen in there. I'll leave it here.
Oh, that's the thing you ordered, Karen? I got my dessert. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat it right now.